Hello everybody, this is Sonia and I'm in Australia, and I did not get my mail till very late last night. So this one here is from Nat Williams. She lives in Mount Baker, South Australia. Do have a lot of entries from South Australia. A lot of people in South Australia. I'm trying to get at this without wrecking it. Rightio, thank you. I got a parcel here. A nice little parcel in a really nice, oh, nice piece of lace. Wow. Oh, goodness me, look at this. Oh, wow. Look at that, isn't that jazzy? Oh my goodness. Oh, I do love that. I don't do a lot with things that are black, but gee, this looks really good, doesn't it? Oh dear. Nat Williams, her name is. And she has a YouTube channel, Nat Williams. Okay, we'll have to go and have a look at that. I'm just beginning since I started this year. And she's been subscribing for that long. Her style is eclectic. Anything and everything. Well, see, that's me. I'll do like that too. She loves anything junk journal related. Well, so do I. And this is absolutely good, gorgeous. It's absolutely gorgeous. It is so nice. Very well done. It is beautiful. Thank you so much. And you've sent me a piece, so I could make one too. This would look really good in a gypsy book, wouldn't it? But I can't do that with it. I'm keeping it because you made it and you've got your details and that on the back here. Thank you very much, Nat. That's very kind of you. So, Nat Williams, if you just want to go and have a look at her channel, okay? And there's a nice little card there that I can maybe use later. Thank you very much for that, Nat. It's a purple background, and then she's got this awesome bling, and of course the lace is really nice too, and these pieces of applique. That is really gorgeous, that is. Really stunning, that is. It is just beautiful. Oh, look at that. Wow. I don't know why I don't work with black. It's just sometimes some colours work for some people and some don't, you know. But this is really, really nice. And I just probably haven't worked with it much in my time, so to put things together like that, that is beautiful. Thank you very much, Nat. I really appreciate that. That's lovely. Thank you. And thank you, everybody, for watching, and we'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.